How to fix Google Chrome high memory usage. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys 4 methods by which you can easily reduce the memory taken by Google Chrome. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to the Google Chrome settings. So you're just going to open your Google Chrome, a new tab, click on the 3 dots at the top right, and then from here you're going to open the settings. Once your settings is open, you're just going to click on performance section on the left side of your screen, and from here you see the memory option. You're just going to turn on the memory saver option. So this literally saves you your memory. So as the name suggests, it will Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. This gives inactive tabs and other more computer resources to keep Chrome fast. This is the first method. The second method that you can do is go to extensions right here and make sure that there are not a lot of extensions on your Chrome, because if there are a lot of unnecessary extensions, they will drain out all of its performance on the background. So just make sure that you install only the ones that you need and remove the ones that you don't need. So for example, I don't need this right now, I'm gonna remove it. Like that, you can even remove multiple at the same time, so this will save up your Chrome's memory by a lot. And the third thing that you can do is clear your cache. So again, head over to your settings, and from here you want to head over to your privacy and securities. Just click on this tab, and here you will see the browsing data, so you can clear cookies, cache, and everything. So you can choose all of these options or do the basic ones like browsing history, cache, and everything else. You make sure that you choose at least of the last 4 weeks and then delete data. It might take some time. While this is happening, please head down below to give our video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any new updates. Alright, so the last thing that you want to avoid is if you have a lot of tabs open like this. So if you have multiple tabs open like this, it will take a lot of processing power off of your PC. So your Google Chrome will be very slow and it will take up a lot of memory. So you just have to make sure that you only have the tabs open that you currently need, and make sure that you close all of these tabs. So these are the 4 ways that from which you can reduce the memory taken by Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon, and I'll catch you on the next one.